Welcome to eHacker Army. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting and high-demand fields in tech, cybersecurity. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to become a cybersecurity expert from beginner to pro. So if you're ready to make an impact in protecting digital systems and securing sensitive data, stay tuned. Before we dive into the steps, why should you consider cybersecurity? The world is becoming more connected, and with that comes increased risk. From personal data breaches to large-scale corporate hacks, the need for cybersecurity professionals is growing every day. The best part, cybersecurity offers great career opportunities with high salaries, job stability, and the ability to truly make a difference in today's digital world. The first step to becoming a cybersecurity expert is building a strong foundation in information technology, or IT. Start by learning about computer networks, operating systems, and how data flows between systems. You don't need to be an IT guru just yet, but understanding the basics will help you grasp how systems are secured and where they're vulnerable. Next, dive into the core concepts of cybersecurity. You need to understand the CIA triad: confidentiality, integrity, and availability, as well as the various types of cyber threats like malware, phishing, and ransomware. Cybersecurity isn't just about hacking. It's about protecting systems from all types of attacks and ensuring data is safe, accurate, and accessible only to authorized users. The third step is certification. One of the best ways to validate your skills and knowledge is by earning industry-recognized certifications. Start with entry-level certifications like CompTIA Security Plus, which covers the basics of cybersecurity, including risk management, network security, and cryptography. Once you've got your fundamentals down, you can aim for more advanced certifications like the Certified Ethical Hacker, or CH, or CISP, which stands for Certified Information Systems Security Professional, to specialize further and enhance your expertise. Cybersecurity is a hands-on field, so the next step is to gain practical experience. You can start by setting up a home lab to practice network security, encryption, and even ethical hacking techniques. Join cybersecurity communities, participate in Capture the Flag challenges, or contribute to open-source projects to put your skills to the test. Real-world practice will help you stand out to employers and give you the confidence to handle real threats. Cybersecurity is a broad field, so specializing is key. Whether you want to focus on network security, ethical hacking, digital forensics, or incident response, finding your niche will make you an expert in your chosen area. As you specialize, you'll want to continuously learn and stay updated on the latest trends and threats in your area of expertise. Cybersecurity is constantly evolving, so be ready to keep learning. Building your professional network is crucial. Attend cybersecurity conferences, meetups, and webinars to connect with like-minded individuals and potential mentors. The more connections you have in the industry, the more opportunities you'll uncover. Follow influential cybersecurity professionals on platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter to stay in the loop on the latest industry updates. Now it's time to put everything into action. Begin applying for entry-level cybersecurity positions like security analyst, IT auditor, or penetration tester. Use your certifications, practical experience, and network to showcase your skills. Once you've landed your first role, continue growing your skill set and take advantage of on-the-job training to level up into more senior positions. Finally, never stop learning. Cybersecurity is a fast-paced field and new threats emerge every day. Stay current by taking advanced courses, earning new certifications, and learning from others in the cybersecurity community. Whether it's improving your knowledge of cloud security, artificial intelligence, or threat hunting, you'll need to stay sharp to remain an expert in this dynamic field. So there you have it, your step-by-step guide to becoming a cybersecurity expert. From building a strong foundation in IT to earning certifications, gaining hands-on experience, and specializing in a niche, you now know the roadmap to success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to eHacker Army, and click the bell icon to get notified about more cybersecurity tips and guides. Drop a comment below if you're ready to start your cybersecurity journey or if you have any questions.